In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money on TikTok here in Nigeria. I'll be showing you step-by-step guide through which you can achieve this. And if you go to follow this method sequentially, as I'm going to be rolling them out today, you'll definitely be making at least a huge sum of money at the end of every month. Now, before we go on, my name is Linus, and in this channel, I make videos that teach you how to make money online and also to help you scale your online business. If this is the kind of video you want, please make sure that you smash the like button, turn on the bell notification, and also like this video. Please make sure that you share this video so that each time I upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you of the video that I'm going to be sharing. Now, let's get started with what you must actually do for you to be able to earn money from TikTok in Nigeria. The first step you need to do is to ensure you go to TikTok and sign up first. If you come on this sign up, you can actually use your phone number or email to sign up. Please make sure that you're going to use a new TikTok profile to do this thing I'm going to be teaching you today, because this is going to be a new profile different from the one you have been using. If you must actually earn money from this method I'll be teaching you today, make sure that you're going to have a new profile. So when you sign up with your either email or phone number, make sure you fill everything. And when you fill everything, know that this is going to be a brand new TikTok account. So there are two ways through which you can actually get new people in your new TikTok profile. Now, I don't actually like this sub for sub in TikTok, because if you do sub for sub, that you follow me, I follow you, you may actually be getting those people who may not be interested in what you are doing. So what you need to do in this case is to ensure that you're going to get organic subscribers, organic followers, people who may actually like what you are doing. Now, there are two things you need to do in this case now. If actually you are in a make money niche, you can go to a website known as a Pinterest. Then when you go to Pinterest, make sure that you're going to search make money online videos, small short videos. Download each and every one of them. Download as many as possible. Keep posting this video on your TikTok account. Keep posting. From there, you'll be able to get new followers, people that are actually interested in what you are doing. Now, in this case, I'm going to be using something like affiliate marketing or freelancing to make this money from TikTok account. So what I'll be doing is, maybe if I come here, I'll be typing things like a freelancing, so that I'll be able to get freelancing videos that are actually talking about freelancing. Then if you top here, you'll be able to get some of these videos. So what you need to do is download these videos. When you download as many as possible, begin to upload them in your TikTok account. That is the first one. Then the second one you can do is to also go to YouTube. You know, all these comedians, Nigerians really like comedians. So what you need to do is to go to YouTube, begin to download videos of these comedians, short videos, begin to upload them on TikTok. Then when you begin to upload them on TikTok, you'll be getting new followers. The one thing there is that the followers you'll be getting there might be a combination of those who are interested in what you're about to say and those who are not interested in what you're about to say. So that's why I prefer go to this website known as Pinterest to download videos that are mainly about making money online. So now when you finish setting up this, and when you've actually gotten some people, so the next thing you need to do is to go to a website known as sales.co. The way you go to sales.co, this sales.co is an affiliate platform. It's an affiliate website that sells some digital products, and they don't charge money before they can accept affiliate marketers. So what you need to do is to go there, look out for. Then when you go there, you go to marketplace, get some of the products that you want to promote. Like in this case, I want us to look at this Upwork Mastermind. This Upwork Mastermind is what I want us to look at. That's what we'll be using to do this training today. If you go to this Upwork Mastermind, you click on promote. So you're going to see your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link here. Then you can copy this affiliate link paste it in your notepad, keep it safe. Then the next thing you can do is this. Go to a site known as ChatGPT. Then in ChatGPT, you are going to tell ChatGPT to write a script for you on this particular topic we're talking about now. If you go back here, this topic is about Upwork. It's about Upwork. So you can now come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write me a short script. Write me a short script, freelancing. Then ChatGPT is going to write you a very short script for this Upwork freelancing. So the next thing you need to do is to wait. When this thing gets finished, when ChatGPT finishes writing the script, the next thing you need to do is to copy this script, read through the script, ensure that you edit it. Then after editing it, then you're going to go to another website known as 11 Lab. Then pull out this script that you have written from ChatGPT, copy everything, make sure you edit it. Then after editing it, copy it and go to 11 Lab. Place it on this text. Then you're going to choose some voices that you really like. They have a lot of voices. They have Rachel, Adam, Anthony, and Arnold, Bill, and so many other voices. Okay. If you actually don't like the ones they have here, you can also add your own voice. If you click here, you're going to add your own voice. That what means that you're going to read this script out by yourself. Use your phone, record this voice, come to add this place, then click here, upload your own voice into this 11 Lab. So when you finish generating, you click on generate. When you click on generate, it's going to generate voiceovers for you. So the next thing you need to do is to go to a website known as pexels.com. Then that pexels.com contains a lot of stock video that you actually need for this project. Then download videos that are related to freelancing, videos that are related to Upwork. Then when you finish, you now combine these videos, the video that you've gotten from Pexels, the script you have written from ChatGPT, which was actually converted into voiceover by 11 Lab. Then all these things, take all of them to CapCut, then edit these videos, and now go back to your newly set up TikTok account. So what you need to be doing is, on a daily basis, you should be posting this video, this particular one, because you've actually gotten some followers who are organic in nature. Then you need to do is the link that you have copied from this sales.co, then what you need to do, once you finish editing those videos, make sure that you take this link and put it in your bio on TikTok, link in your bio. So by the time you keep doing this thing, at least on a daily basis, keep posting this. As people click this link, they will definitely go to your sales CO account. Then from there, once they purchase this course, and look at this course, 20 commission, you have 50% commission. And this particular one I talked about, which is freelancing, is basically $25. And if you're able to sell this course now on your TikTok account, you'll be making at least $0.5. So now that's the first thing, that's the first step in making this money using TikTok account. The second part you can do is to run an ad that will actually be targeted. Make sure that you target people in the USA. Target people in USA. Definitely, once they come back to your site, they are going to purchase this thing. And once they purchase this course, you'll be having 50%. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you're going to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you have gained something from it, please. And make sure that you share this video. Please, if you have any question, go to the comment section. Go to the comment section and comment it. And please make sure that this video, if you are using organic way of making this money, make sure that you keep posting this video on a daily basis. Different videos. Don't keep on posting the same video. Different videos on a daily basis. Once you keep posting this thing on a daily basis, people who are following you organically, or people who are actually interested in making money online, are going to actually be clicking your link. And by the time you do this, at least for a month, you have actually made money for yourself on TikTok here in Nigeria. Guys, if you have watched to this particular point, thank you for being part of this video. See you in my next video. Thanks.